side. Dobbs in the shotgun. Only a three-man rush and not much of one. He's got all day to throw. Throws to the end zone. Here it is in the end zone, and it is caught. I don't believe it.
Unbelievable.
Caught. Touchdown. Tennessee wins. Wow. Tennessee, the entire bench has emptied onto the field. I didn't see who caught it. We had no rush on Dobbs, only three men. It was Jennings that jumped up in the air and caught it. Jawan Jennings, a 6'3 sophomore from Murfreesboro, 43-yard touchdown pass, wins it on the last play of the game.